How to use bearer authentication in openapi-codegen generated Python code. I am using the openapi 3.0 specification to document my API. It is basically a REST API which requires a valid bearer token for each request except for the login request. The openapi spec looks like this. In the automatically generated Swagger UI that works perfectly fine, the same is true for Postman when I download the openapi spec and import it into Postman. However, when using the openapi generator using the following command. However, instead of the bearer token, it tries to use username and password instead. Note that here a username and password is used, and the auth_settings function returns a basic auth. What do I have to do to use the bearer authentication scheme in the generated code instead?
This was a bug. It was fixed in openapi generator v. 4.0.0 beta 2 and later.
I jeśli mam krócej numer, tyle w końcu do subskrybień.